All rise. Judge Vanderbeat Court now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1003, Carrera versus Carrera.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Carrera,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes. So I brought this case before you because I'm currently paying for extracurricular activities for our daughter.
Okay.
And it's a little bit more money than I thought it was going to be. So I would like my wife, Sheila, to reimburse me for it.
Okay. So you guys are separated?
Yes.
Okay. What type of extracurricular activities is the child involved?
So our daughter is very big into sports.
Okay.
So she plays soccer, and it's just like the cost of cleats, the cost of like gloves, because she plays goalie. It's just a lot of upkeep for me, and she makes more money than I do, so I kind of want help with it.
Okay. I see here, ma'am, from the tax returns that you make about $100,000 a year.
Buckle up, guys. Today we're going inside a courtroom where a simple debate over soccer gear turns into a legal showdown. Judge Bund opens proceedings as Dad explains he's covering all the costs for his daughter's sports and wants Mom, who earns far more, to contribute. What starts as a plea for fairness is about to expose deeper issues around money and shared custody.
It was not previously ordered.
Yes.
Okay. So are you guys in agreement to do that? Or you don't want to pay child support? What's going on?
I don't think it's necessary. We split her 50-50. She's at my house just as much. She's with me just as much, if not more.
Your Honor, I would say that's probably an argument for her to pay me if we're split.
Here's where the tension builds. The judge notes Mom's six-figure income, while Dad explains they split custody equally. Instead of agreeing to share costs, Mom bluntly says it's not necessary. This reaction shocks the court, revealing the clash between her income and her reluctance to help. It's the moment that turns a small request into a full-blown support battle.
Pay all of it.
That's exactly what I was getting ready to say. So you kind of like told on yourself. So you ready to move forward with the numbers?
Sure.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and get ready with the numbers. So it looks like you make, like I said, $100,000 a year. Do you work overtime, or is that regularly what you make?
No, I work overtime. But
Okay. And does that include overtime?
yes, ma'am. It's a salaried position, so it's just straight out.
Okay, got it. All right. So at $100,000 a year, I have your gross at $10,000 a month. Before I continue, who pays health insurance?
We both do.
We both.
Okay, how much do you pay?
$348 or $386.
$386.
Yeah, $386.
And I
And how
pay
much?
$200.
Okay, and you both plan on maintaining those health insurance policies?
Yes.
Okay, great. That way, nobody has to reimburse anybody for health insurance, but because you do carry health insurance and you're going to be ordered to pay child support, I can give you credit for the $386. So that brings your net down to $6,988.19. Which, how many children? Just one?
Just one.
Okay, so 20% of that brings your child support obligation to $1,391.60.
From an outsider's view, the stakes skyrocket here. Commentary breaks down the imbalance. Dad struggling with gear costs while Mom earns $100,000 and resists. The refusal comes off as more than frugality. It signals a deeper conflict over responsibility. This is where the audience begins questioning fairness and anticipating the judge's next move.
Should cover any expenses and anything like that because the child is heavily involved. Sounds like an extracurricular activity, excuse me. Are there any other questions?
Nope.
You don't look happy about this. What's going on?
I just think that it's a bit of an exorbitant amount, but we discussed it in the beginning when the split happened. He agreed, and
Agreed to what amount?
none.
Oh, you're saying child support, but you do understand that as the child gets older and heavily involved in
Yes.
different activities. I wasn't done.
Oh,
Involved heavily in different activities, you understand that expenses increase.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, and the amount of child support is based on how much money you make. Child support is based on a simple calculation. So you make $100,000 a year, That's what your child support is. I mean, if you want it to be lower.
Now, the numbers come into play. The judge calmly walks through mom's salary, insurance deductions, and calculates child support. The result? About $1,391 a month. This is a pivotal moment where facts overrule opinions. The court bases support on income and the child's needs, not feelings. It's a powerful demonstration of how law translates earnings into obligations.
So you chose the profession.
Yeah.
Okay. So if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
As the amount is announced, mom protests is excessive. The judge doesn't budge, reminding her that child expenses grow and support is a legal calculation tied to income. It's a reality check that hits hard. The court isn't punishing anyone. It's ensuring the child's life is properly funded. This moment shows how honesty and financial facts can backfire if not understood.
When there's been a material and substantial change in circumstance, the court can go in and review the order to determine whether or not child support should be paid. Well, you heard that dad was covering all the expenses for the child to participate in all these different activities. So it warranted mom to be able to help finance those activities for the child. So that's the reason why mom was ordered to pay child support. Do you know of anyone who's experienced a similar situation? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and make sure you comment below. You never know, their story may end up as a scenario on our...
The judge closes with a blunt truth. Income drives support, not past agreements. Commentary highlights that dad walked in asking for reimbursement, but left with a child support order against mom due to her higher earnings. It's a reminder that family law adapts to circumstances and focuses on the child's best interest. If you found this as eye-opening as we did, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.